In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable real-time text in Microsoft Teams meeting. By enabling real-time text, the audience will be able to see what you type or what anyone types in real time. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, I have here this meeting that is on and I wish to show you how to turn real time on. Currently, this meeting has 2 participants. Now to turn real time on, just go to more here, and from more, you should see language and speech. Under it, you should see turn on real time for this call. If you tap on this, now confirm that indeed you want to turn it on by tapping on turn on. And here now we have a dialog box where you can type a message. So if I type anything, you can see it is being typed in real time, and this is available to all the participants, and you can see it is on. You can also turn on or off live caption here. So that's how you can turn on real-time text in Microsoft Teams meeting. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.